Precision V Aviation Maintenance Cleaner is a non-flammable aerosol degreaser that is engineered to remove hydraulic fluids and contaminations from aircraft surfaces. This is the product to use if you are worried about touchy materials like commercial resins, plastics, urethanes, and synthetic gaskets. Precision V Aviation Cleaner has much lower toxicity than many competing products because it doesn't contain solvents such as N-propylbromide and trichloroethylene. If you have to clean energized electrical systems, the dielectric breakdown voltage of 41 kilovolts avoids shorts and sparks. It has many environmental advantages. It has an extremely low global warming potential. It is VOC free, so it won't contribute to smog and is not going to be restricted by strict air quality regulations. And it also meets European F-gas regulations, so Precision V can be used globally and wherever your hangar might be it the US, Europe, Asia, Africa, anywhere on the planet. Precision V Aviation Cleaner is a fast and efficient way to remove hydraulic fluids. Just spray it on, allow the soils to flow off, and it flashes off quickly. Most importantly though,